What is up, everybody? Today I'll be doing a quick trade recap of the trade that I took this morning. Not even gonna go on bar replay. Literally took this like 30 minutes ago, so just get right into it. Go on the 4 hour. All right, we're honestly like long term it looks bullish. I actually ended up taking a sell just because I really like the trade. I'll explain why I took the sell in a bit. But yeah, we're looking. I guess you could say we're looking pretty bullish, but we've kind of been chilling in this gap since this is actually the gap I took a buy off of yesterday. We're kind of deeper in it. I thought maybe we'd run through it. Um, you know, honestly, not a very clear bias there. Looking at the 1 hour, remember, get rid of these two candles. I was basically only looking at this one and like this one partway through, and it was like down here. I really like this gap right here. Really like this gap right here. No, sorry, it was this gap. That was very clean. If you go look here, from the top to the bottom. Oh, sorry, it's the wrong fucking box. From the top to the bottom. Hold on, this is wrong right now. Give me a sec. This gap was also an OTE range. I mean, like, if you don't know what that is, it's basically where retests are very good. Really liked it. Technically, we didn't enter that range, but we're there. We're in the gap. I wasn't gonna miss out a trade because we weren't exactly in the range. I knew that was a good range to go off of. 15-minute, kind of the same story. Here you have all the session. Let me get this out of the way so it's not so confusing. Here we have all the session highs and lows. Previous to market open, we didn't take out that Asia high yet. So I was looking to take out that Asia high while entering the gap. That way I can enter a trade. That way that checks my boxes for liquidity sweep and for higher time frame gap. Going into market open, started right here. We pumped, immediately took out Asia high. There's actually an IABG trade right here. You wanted to take it. I didn't like it. I prefer having gaps in my trades. I guess you could have taken that and I don't know, target here. You would have gone, you wouldn't have even hit it. You would have gone break even, stomped out. That's honestly why I wait for fair value gaps. I just find them more higher probability. And then right here, see, boom, we come back, enter this gap. So we have our sweep right here, right? We have our higher time frame gap, looking to inverse this gap right here. And then if you go on ES at this time, we're looking here, mark out that hourly gap. Don't worry about ES now. We're just bumping. It's still not in that gap. I think that's the same gap. 3 o'clock gap. Yeah, that's the same gap. It's so you could actually see like literally. Okay, well we just entered it, but whatever. You go on ES on the 1 minute. Right here, there's very good bearish SMT because we didn't enter that gap, and that is considered bearish SMT. So didn't enter that gap yet. Really good SMT. So I have everything. I have my SMT right here as well. So I have my liquidity sweep, SMT, fair value gap. I mean, what else do you really need? Good displacement through the inverse. So I didn't enter on the close. I entered on the retest, but either way, it would have been the same thing as entering on the close, basically. Got my stops at the high. And I targeted this low right here. I didn't want to go lower than this because here, let me take out this, man. It's so annoying. I didn't want to go lower than this just because I guess because I had a bullish, like long term I'm bullish, so I wouldn't exactly want to be holding a trade, to like London lows. I'm not guaranteeing that we're gonna hit London lows. I wasn't as yesterday I was willing to hold to a key level because I knew we were very bullish. Today I knew we were bullish, but like I don't get stuck in a bias, so I kind of just took, I guess you want to say, more of a scalp. I think the entry was a little bit lower because mine was like a 1.3, about like probably like right there. Seems about right. Entered right there, and we literally hit TP in 3 candles. I mean, very easy trade. I liked it. It went against like my overall bias, but that's okay. I mean, you don't get stuck in a bias. It's one of the worst things you can do, miss out on trades. Honestly, complete opposite from yesterday. Yesterday took almost an hour to hit, and then today I hit in 3 minutes. That's just how trading is. But just wanted to make this quick trade recap for you guys. That way, once you're done trading, you come watch this. And yeah, hope you have a good one. Thanks for watching.